Hi students, today I am going to elaborate how to calculate average value of any observable in quantum mechanics. Now let any observable is A. To calculate average value of A, we have to take its corresponding wave function. Let psi is its corresponding wave function which is not normalized, and psi star is its complex conjugate, means psi is its wave function and psi star is its conjugate. Then the average value, again we call it expectation value. A is equal to entire limit minus infinity to plus infinity psi star A psi d tau, means this is volume element, divided by entire limit integration minus infinity to plus infinity psi star psi d tau. Remember that here psi is not normalized wave function. Now if psi is normalized, then its value minus infinity to plus infinity psi star psi d tau is equal to 1. Then we can write its expectation value as psi is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity psi star A psi d tau. This is the formula for a normalized wave function. If psi is normalized, then this formula is considered, and if it's not normalized, then we have to calculate first its normalization constant. This is the normalization constant, and from this we can calculate the average value of any observable. Now come to an example. Let for 1D box we have to calculate average value of x. This means we have to calculate x, expectation value of x. So for 1D box, the wave function is psi is equal to normalized wave function root 2 by L sin n pi x by L. Now as from this equation we can write expectation of psi is equal to entire limit. Entire limit means for 1D box, asymmetric box, so 0 to L is the limit. Psi star, its conjugate psi star will be same, root 2 by L sin n pi x by L. So we can write root 2 by L sin n pi x by L into x into root 2 by L sin n pi x by L dx. This and this are multiplied, and we can say 2 by L integration 0 to L x sin square n pi x by L dx. And from this we can write 0 to L, see the x into 2 sin square n pi x by L dx. This 2 is come from this 2 is multiplied, and again if we put the integration value, then we can calculate its value will be L by 2. Now I am showing how to calculate how to solve this type of integration. In order to solve this integration, we here apply the trigonometric rules. 1 by L 0 to L x into 2 psi square 1 minus cos 2 theta 2 n pi x by L dx. From that 1 by L x ds, so x square by 2, x integration of x square by 2 0 to L minus 1 by L. This is cos, means sin 2 n pi x by L into its derivative, means L by 2n pi 0 to L. Now see this, give 1 by L square by 2 minus 0 minus 1 by L sin 2n pi l by l minus sine this is 0 0 means l 2n pi means 0 1 by l into l square by 2 minus this is total value is 0. So this is l and l square, we can cut this and l, so l by 2. This is the answer here all. Thank you.